Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the HP printer error code 0xC4EB827F that you're experiencing on your Windows 10, Windows 11, or earlier versions of Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process of getting your HP printer back online, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And on the right side, underneath other troubleshooters, go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath most frequent, the one that corresponds to printer, go ahead and select the run button. And then follow along with the on-screen prompts, and then hopefully that should guide you to a resolution to your issue. Something else I'd recommend doing here as well would be to power cycle both your computer and your printer. So that means turning off your printer and then turning it back on. If you're still having an issue, you can try to disconnect your computer and printer from your Wi-Fi and then reconnect it, or just unplug your router from the wall and then put it back in if that is accessible to you. And then hopefully once you've done a full cycle like that, hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.